Good morning from beautiful Sarasota, Florida. I was actually going to do a video at the beach, and then I did a DoorDash that was kind of traumatizing. Ladies, I have to apologize to you. I'm 60 years old, and I never even knew this existed. I apologize for all the times I haven't been sensitive enough, and for every man in the world. I admit, men are pigs. That's why I won't date them. And I learned something this morning. I had a couple of orders for restaurants and food, and then I got an order for CVS. I don't know, and I don't want to know, but I had to pick up some Pampering and a menstrual cup. I didn't even know that thing existed. No, YouTube, or no, I mean delivery. What the heck? Oh, apology over. Sorry about your luck, bitches. Oh,